This is a heavy production.
Damn, I gave her my heart.
What?
And I would've gave her my soul.
Damn.
Then she came through like a blizzard in the winter, left a nigga cold.
Oh,
Damn. Girl, you don't do shit like that.
Like that.
Don't you know I'm a man with pride? You can't leave a nigga sick like that.
Like that. And we ain't gonna never get back.
Just listen. Now first off, let me tell y'all something about this girl who I gave all my loving. She shot me, she played up, and like a blizzard she just left me cold. And now I wonder, did she love me or love me not? And I don't know's the only answer I've got. She's a hot shot, she make my heart stop, then left me cold and turned my heart into an ice box. She left me cold, feels like the dead of winter. Now you know that girl is a blizzard. The way she came without a forecast, wind chill 35 below. That girl got blizzard. She left me cold, feels like the dead of winter. Now you know that girl is a blizzard. The way she came without a forecast, wind chill 35 below. When she blows past, that's cold, that's cold, that's cold, that's cold. I know, it's cold. Tell me why you had to throw away a good thing like that. No, you ain't gonna never find another man like that. Facts. My heart is frozen and struggling to get through. This storm is vicious, my nigga, and it'll leave you with unexpected heartbreak, but I don't miss her. I can't believe that girl just left me like a blizzard. She left me cold, feels like the dead of winter. Now you know that girl is a blizzard. The way she came without a forecast, wind chill 35 below. When she drove past, she left me cold, feels like the dead of winter. Now you know that girl is a blizzard. The way she came without a forecast, wind chill 35 below. When she blows past, she left me cold. She left me cold. She left me cold. She left me cold. And now I can't stand it when the wind blows. I need some healing. I don't wanna be cold no more. She left me cold. She left me cold. She left me cold. She left me cold. With unexpected heartbreak, but I don't miss her. I can't believe that girl just left me like a blizzard. She left me cold, feels like the dead of winter. Now you know that girl is a blizzard. The way she came without a forecast.